Hello, welcome to another episode of Lydia's Wind Up Toy Show, where we profile and highlight antique vintage toys, specifically wind up toys for now. Lydia, you want to say hi?
Hi.
We're here today to show this clockwork wind up toy called the Guardsman, which is interesting because it says it's for ages, specifically ages for 3 and up. This must be made in China. Let's take a look at this thing here. Yeah, it's made in China.
What? That's not a tree.
Okay. Let's go ahead and wind this guy up. Let's see what he does. There we go. That's pretty cool. It moves really fast. Alright, well that's the Guardsman. Pretty cool toy. Thanks for watching. Bye everybody.
Bye.